Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, and white color. Kids, 9 numbers, and first 8 of 1, and here is black color. O N E 1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6, and again use black color. S IX 6 7 S E V E and 7. It's night 8. The numbers of 8, and here is blue color. E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E and 10. Kids, again use blue color and draw 11. The numbers of 11, 12. The numbers of 12, 13. The numbers of 13, 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, night of 15. The numbers of 15, and here is red color. 16. The numbers of 16, 17. The numbers of 17, 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, again use red color and draw 19. The numbers of 19, 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.